Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Beta Finance. 2 days ago, I shared this video with you when I told you that the price line of Beta broke out the resistance of a down channel and it is retesting the previous resistance of a channel as a support. And from here, it can start a big reversal. That reversal move has been just started and we have tested the support very well. Now, in today's video, I want to share the next target with you. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And this is the daily live time frame chart. And you can see that the price line started the formation of this down channel in October 2021. We have several touch points at the support and several touch points at the resistance as well. The price line, by the way, was testing the support more than resistance. That was indicating to a breakdown rather than breakout. But the price line broke out, and if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then while the price line was breaking out, RSI was forming higher than previous high, but the price line is still not able to form a higher than previous high. Here we had the price 76.87 cents. So far the price line has rallied up to 74.25. So there was, at the time of breakout, there was a bearish divergence, a hidden bearish divergence. Therefore that was another indication that the price line may have a reversal move or it may break down the support of this channel. But the price line is still moving above the resistance, and after this breakout, when I shared my last video, at that time it was testing the support, the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and now it has started the move to the upside again. And there is a very small difference to form another higher than previous high, and then the movement of the RSI and price line will be synchronized and this hidden bearish divergence will be removed from the chart. However, so far the price line is not able to form another higher than previous high. Now, at the same time, we can see that the price line also has found another resistance from here, from 8th of December 2021, and you can see we had several rejections. We had rejection here, 2 rejections, 2 more rejections, even 3 rejections here, and 1 more rejection here. And finally, we were rejected here on 19th of January 2022. Finally, the price line is breaking out another resistance after breaking out this resistance of the channel. And after this breakout, the probability will be more increased that the price line may remove this hidden bearish divergence by setting another higher than previous high. Now let's talk about the targets. My targets are remain the same. I told you that we have very strong resistance approximately here at 77 or 78 cents, and the price line is almost there. And after breaking out this resistance, this price level resistance, even though we have broken out this trend line resistance, but the price level resistance is still there, and now it is possible that it will also break out this price level resistance of 77 cents after breaking out this trend line resistance as well. And our second target will be approximately here at $1.50, and the final target will be here approximately at $4.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.